Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fade an image in Figma. So, the first thing that you want to do is to simply go ahead and insert the shape that you want your image to be with. In my case, I want my image to be a rectangle, so I'll place it this way. And right after that, you can just go ahead and turn it into a gradient color. From there, you then want to go ahead and choose your colors and edit the fade the way you want to. In my case, I'm going to be editing it this way. And right after that, you can just go ahead and make the other side of the gradient 0%. And from there, we then want to go ahead and basically copy paste the rectangle or the shape right here. And right after that, you then want to go ahead and insert your image. From there, it's really simple. Just go ahead and highlight both of your image or rectangle, and from there you then want to select use as mask, and from there you will then have this fade effect on your image. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.